Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure the official app is installed, camera and location permissions are allowed, and your phone is on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi. Once done, put the switch into pairing mode so it broadcasts its QR or network ID. The LED will blink rapidly when ready. Now open the app's device setup flow and choose the option to scan a QR code. This moves you straight into the Capture UI and avoids manual entry errors. So start scanning now. You should align the QR inside the app's scanner window and steady your hands. The app uses autofocus, but tapping the screen helps lock focus. Once you center the code, remove glare and backlight. Angled light often ruins detection, and keep the phone 6 to 12 inches away if it struggles. If the built-in scanner won't read, use the phone camera to capture the code, then open the image in the app or enter the printed code manually. This ensures the device reads the correct ID and avoids setup delays. After a successful scan, you will confirm the device details in the app, enter the Wi-Fi password, and assign a name and room so voice assistants map correctly. Once the app reports provisioning, allow any firmware updates and then test the switch by toggling it. This validates cloud linkage and local control. If pairing fails, reboot the switch in your phone, ensure Wi-Fi is 4 GHz and strong, and then retry scanning. That single reset fixes most handshake issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.